at Stratford to bring all of our students in together and make everybody feel included and like they are a part of our Stratford family.
Unity Day is about just the spirit of our school, getting everyone together and making sure they all feel included and that we just really make the school what it's supposed to be and have everyone be there for each other.
I guess hanging out with friends and having fun.
I like drink beef with my friends.
I like to play games.
With their regular ed peers, just having fun and being a part of Stratford.
You don't really get to interact with like some of these kids often, and it's nice being able to.
Just making sure that everyone feels like they're needed and wanted. Making sure someone you've never talked to is just, you're there for them.
Accepting everybody kind of for where they're at and then also allowing them to bring that to the table and genuinely including them in real life activities, not making something special just for them.
With leadership, we get to see all the special needs kids every Friday. We don't even get to see all of them. There are still people I'm meeting today, but I haven't met all year.
Everybody has a strength, everybody has something that they can bring to the table, and you wouldn't know unless you reach out and include everyone.